SØREN Hair Regrowth System Review 2026, Scam or Legit? In this video, we're taking an honest look at the SØREN Hair Regrowth System to find out whether it's a legitimate hair loss solution or just another overhyped product. We'll cover how it works, what's inside it, the available evidence, real-world user experiences, and whether it's actually worth your money. Before we get started, if you're interested in buying this product, you'll find its purchase link in the video description below. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. Let's start with what the SØREN Hair Regrowth System actually is. The system combines a microinfusion applicator with a topical hair serum. Instead of simply applying the serum to the scalp, the device uses tiny microneedles to help deliver the formula into the upper layers of the scalp. The serum contains ingredients such as saw palmetto, copper tripeptide 1, caffeine, niacinamide, rosemary extract, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol, which are commonly used in hair care products aimed at improving scalp health and supporting healthier-looking hair. So does it actually work? The honest answer is it may help some people, but there is currently no strong independent clinical evidence proving that the SØREN Hair Regrowth System can reliably regrow hair as advertised. While microneedling itself has scientific support when combined with certain clinically proven hair loss treatments, there are no published independent clinical studies specifically validating SØREN Complete System or its marketing claims. Looking at real-world experiences, the feedback is mixed. Some users say the system is easy to use and that their scalp feels healthier after several weeks. However, many independent reviewers reported little to no noticeable hair regrowth after consistent use. The product appears to improve the application of the serum, but dramatic before and after results are not consistently supported by independent reviews. Now let's address the biggest question. Is it a scam? Based on the information currently available, there's no clear evidence that the product itself is an outright scam. However, there are several reasons to be cautious. Independent reviewers have pointed out that the company is relatively new. There are limited verified customer reviews outside its own website, and some of its marketing claims have not been independently verified. Because of these factors, it's wise to approach the product with realistic expectations rather than expecting guaranteed hair regrowth. One thing that's worth remembering is that hair loss is highly individual. Genetics, hormones, medical conditions, nutrition, and overall scalp health all play a role. No over-the-counter product can guarantee success for everyone. Here's my honest verdict. If you're looking for a microneedling device combined with a quality scalp serum, the SØREN Hair Regrowth System may be worth considering. However, if you're expecting it to reverse significant hair loss on its own or replace clinically proven treatments, you may be disappointed. It's better to think of it as a supportive hair care product rather than a guaranteed hair restoration solution. If you'd like to check the latest price or purchase this product, you'll find its purchase link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and let me know in the comments which hair care product you'd like me to review next.